Alright, today I'm going to show you how to empty a Dyson V10 Animal vacuum right here. So after you've been using it, it's going to come get a lot of dirt and whatnot inside of the vacuum, and you're going to have to empty it to make sure that the vacuum functions properly. So what you're going to do that is you're just going to take the vacuum cleaner. It's a nice vacuum cleaner, and right here is where all of the dirt and everything accumulates in here. And what you're going to do is you're going to have to separate this from the hose right here. You have to get away from the hose. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and press this button right here. Do you see this red button? And I'm going to take this, and I have this, and I'm hose free right now. So I have the vacuum, and what I'm going to do to empty it is I'm going to have to press this lever, but do not press the lever yet. And I'll explain to you why. And it's because this lever right here is going to release this, and you can get dirt all over the floor. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it up to your garbage, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and press the garbage, open it up. What do you have in there? And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to press this. And when you press this, this opens up. You see that? And then you just shake it like a Polaroid. Shake it like that, and all the stuff empties out. And what I like to do is I have to take this, go back, forth a little bit, and it shakes it all off. Now, with that in mind, there could be a lot of things inside of here, okay? Could be a lot of things inside of here that just don't come out. And you might have to take something, perhaps like just your fingers, and just pick whatever it is in there. Ooh, turn it on. Don't press the button at all. So I just do that a little bit, or just read the instructions on how to get whatever it is in here out if it's stuck in there. But don't hurt yourself, okay? So this right here, you see right here, here is the symbols for what to do. Do not press the trigger like I just did, okay? Keep your finger off the trigger. See, like it's showing you. And I emptied it into a bag, but what they're showing right here is like the top of the bag is closed, so dirt does not go everywhere. So make sure that you have something that looks like that if you don't want dust to go everywhere. And it's showing you 4 and 5. These are the next parts where you go ahead and shut it. So what you're going to do is I'm going to shut it and hear it click. And then you have to make sure that this is also clicked right here. So there's 2 clicks. There's like boom, boom. Make sure it's all the way packed like that. And then you're ready to go ahead and connect it to your vacuum. Now, there could be a lot of stuff in here, caked up in here, and you may have to use another method. Go ahead and snap that back on. Another method in order to get the hair and everything that's stuck up in here. This is just a general guide, just to show you the process of what I do, not exactly how Dyson says it. So you should listen to Dyson's instructions in their user manual, so you know how to do it exactly. This is just how I do it. And in here you have hair and stuff that gets caught up in that. To clean it out, that's another instructional video, but this is how you empty it when you are vacuuming. Then when you're done, go ahead and vacuum again. All right, so I hope this was helpful, give you an idea. Thanks a lot for watching.